Good morning. Our project team is OEE percentage increase of a lubricant oil packaging line. As an introduction, we have the main products are lubricant for the automotive line, and it is in the south of the Guayaquil. The general process of the plant is raw material, mixing stage, fill, packaging stage, and distribution. And so we have the focus problem statement. Here we have our response variable, where the OEE is equal to quality by performance and availability. It's important to mention that for the calculation, we will use availability since the performance and quality components will remain constant and the only term to improve will be availability. Okay, we have the implementation plan. Okay, for improvement proposals, we use two which we will analyze below. For the Prof 1, we use 10 replication, which gave us our minimum of 13 replication. It should be noted that for the calculation, we use an error of 2 and a confidence level of 95%. For the Improv 2, we also used 10 replication and it gave us an R minimum of 7. So we are left with the initial 10. And for Improv 3, which is the combination of the two previous improvements, we used 10 replication and we got an R minimum of 7. So we are left with the initial 10. So know which improvement to stay with, we used the Befferoni test, which gave us the result that Improv 2 is the most approved for our project. For the conclusion, we have used the result that Improv 2 is the most approved.
Well, the triple bottom lines metrics and the aspects of economic, social, environment, and economic before the products without labels that happened during the packing process were around 60%, which causing unnecessary expenses to the company. And now, thanks to quickly detecting the cause of a problem on the packing line, the number of unlabeled bottles has been greatly reduced. And the aspect social, and due to the stop times, the operators had to do more overtime to finish their work. This happened before, and now with decreases stop times, workers' overtime also decreases, which decreases the operator's workload. And the aspect environment, before happens, the energy consumed by the machine used to be very variable due to downtime. And now the energy consumed remains constant and is used more effectively to improve the environmental impact. The economic benefit, we had at the losses the 1,038. Now we had the saving $450.12, and the new loss per month is the $622.80. With the implementation of our 5X improvement, we estimate a 40% reduction in unemployment, which would save the company $60 per month. The control plan, we have two weights on the control of the process. Is the control of damage machine online is in and the repair time duration control. And the first, we out of the use of indicators that show the number of times the machine has broken down and released to the plant manager with frequency is daily, and the reaction is important machine problem identification to provide support to operators. And the second, and how you of the indicators that show the percent of time spent on repairs. Releases the plant managers and with the frequency is the daily, and reaction is provides a broader view of what happened during repair times. This is the iterate with all etaps of the project. And the reaction plan, we have the start with identification of instability in the 1 liter line. Later, the derivative, I question on the derivative for machine breakdowns. Is instability related to improvements? This question is positive. We release the aspect of improvement that cause the instability is identified. Later, realization of the Tyler report, and finally report to management. Or this question is negative, simple is a report to management. Conclusion and recommendations. The implementation of the 5S generate that the process times of the machines are more efficient and more constant without interruptions. As a recommendation, you must have the flexing program license to be able to use all these analysis tools. And it was possible to reduce the cost caused by the stop times of the 1 liter line. Thank you.